the 5th of October at UBL in Brussels. Is that right? UBL in Brussels, there's going to be a conference about the work of We Are Brussels, and you need to be there because it's going to be bringing together all the great brains from across the city and elsewhere who are going to figure out how to protect those spaces, because we need them, because we have lost 70% of all the creatures we share this planet with in my lifetime. It's not entirely my fault, but probably partly, and we need to be reimagining our cities as places where nature and people can flourish, so you need to be there.